How to say goodbye in Korean. Hi guys, I'm Aron from Korea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to say goodbye in Korean. In my other video, I thought about how to say hi, hello in Korean. Do you remember? 안녕, 안녕하세요. It's really similar to that. How to say goodbye in Korean. 안녕, 안녕히 가세요, 안녕히 계세요, 잘 가, 잘 있어. Okay, let's see first about informal casual version. You can say to your friends or someone who is younger than you. First, 안녕. Same with hi. You can say the word 안녕 for both hi and goodbye. When you say hi and when you say goodbye, you can use it for both. Simple. Just say 안녕. Next, 잘 가, 잘 있어. 잘 가 means go well. 잘 있어 means stay well. What's the difference between 잘 가 and 잘 있어? When can I use that? It depends on situation. If someone, listener, is leaving, you can say 잘 가. Cause 잘 가 means go well, and listener, someone is leaving and going somewhere. If someone is staying, you can say 잘 있어. Cause 잘 있어 means stay well. Like when you go home, you are leaving your friend's house and your friend is staying their house. Then you can say that 잘 있어. Let's see some example. Oh, you gotta go? Okay, goodbye. 잘 가. 잘 가. Oh, I gotta go. You gonna stay more here? Okay, goodbye. 잘 있어. 잘 있어. Now, let's see about former polite version. You can use to someone who is older than you or who is not close to you. 안녕히 가세요, 안녕히 계세요. These are the polite versions of 잘 가, 잘 있어. 안녕히 가세요 means go well. It's like 잘 가. 잘 가's polite version. 안녕히 계세요 means stay well. It's like 잘 있어 polite version. Same. If listener is leaving, you can say 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. It means go well. If listener is staying, you can say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. It means stay well. Okay, today we learned about how to say goodbye in Korean. 안녕, 잘 가, 잘 있어. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 계세요. Don't forget it. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Okay, thank you guys. See you later.